Good night everybody. We meet again with me, Patra Jogi Sibuea. In this video, I want to explain you about context clue. Are you know about context clue? There are many types of context clues, such as definition, example, cause and effect, inference, contrast, restatement, modifier, and sentence or paragraph. Are you really curious about context clue? Okay, follow me. The first is definition clues. Many times a writer defines a word directly or indirectly, immediately following its use. The writer may define a word directly by giving a brief definition or providing a synonym, a word that has the same meaning. The words and phrases such as means, is, are, refer to, can be defined as, can be called, and are called, often used. Example: business is the production, distribution, and sale of goods and services for a profit. At other times, a writer may define a word indirectly. Indirect definitions usually follow the word and are set off by commas, parentheses, or dashes. The second is example clues. Writers often include examples that help to explain or clarify a word. Suppose you don't know the meaning of the word toxic and you find it used in the following sentence. Toxic materials such as arsenic, asbestos, pesticide, and lead can cause bodily damage. This sentence gives 4 examples of toxic materials. From the example given, which are poisonous substances, you could conclude the toxic means poisonous. The word and phrase such as include, for example, for instance, such as, and like indicate example clues. The third is cause and effect clues. In here, the word and phrases such as because, consequently, so, due to, as a result, indicate cause and effect relationship. Example: computer is very expensive, so we cannot afford to buy it. Next, contrast clues. It is sometimes possible to determine the meaning of an unknown word from a word or phrase in the context that has an opposite meaning. The words and phrases such but, also, even though, yet, on the other hand, indicate contrasting ideas. Example: during the ceremony, the graduates were quiet, but afterward, they become boisterous. Next, inference clues. Many times you can figure out meaning of unknown word by using logic and reasoning skill. For instance, look at the following sentence. John is quite versatile. He is a top athlete, an excellent car mechanic, and a gourmet cook. You can see that John is successful at many different types of activities, and you could reason that versatile means capable to doing many things competently. Okay guys, next, restatement. In here, the words and phrases such as or, in other words, that is to say, that is, and the signal, commas, parentheses, and dashes indicate restatement. For example, the instructor also teaches the culture. in parentheses, the idea and belief of society. Next, modifier. The phrase or clause after a noun modifies the noun. For example, they have city manager who runs all of the service department of the government and take charge of buying for the city. Okay guys, the last sentence or paragraphs. The sentence or sentence that come before or after the sentence containing word explain the word. The paragraph in which an unknown word appears may also explain the word. Okay, for example, children's capabilities include both reception and production. They can understand and they can communicate. Well, I think that's enough for this video. Thanks for your attention, and I hope this video can help you to understand about context clue. And guys, remember to stay healthy. Good night.